First time for Inter Oroque, number 91, Chumauga, number 2, Fontanilla, number 17, De Leon, number 5, Pineda, and number 6, Michael Martanong for Swiss Mortgages. Double zero, Mata, number 17, Carrillo, number 19, Mark Santos, number 4, Charles Aldama, and number 6, Richard Esguerra. Hey, this is victory, victory between Swiss Mortgages and Carrillo. First possession belongs to Swiss Mortgages. Esguerra, pass, deflected, intercepted by Chumauga. Steven to Britt. Fontanilla to Sean, shot no good. Contact, foul underneath the basket. Foul is number 40, Dama. First personal foul on Swiss Mortgages. First personal foul, first team foul. Pineda at the free throw line for two free throws. First free throw is good for Incar on there. For Sean Pineda. Incar at the board now. 2 out of 2 for Sean Pineda. 2-0 in favor of Incar on there. Tama for 3. Booming triple for Charles Aldama. Fontanilla to Pineda. Fontanilla floater from the baseline. Now good rebound Esguerra. Esguerra passes it off to Mata. Back to Esguerra. 2-1 game. 12 Aldama. Behind the back pass to Esguerra. Gets it out to Mata. Mata, leading jumper, no good, rebound Carrillo. Plus 14 for Swiss Mortgages. Passes to the wrong line, stolen by De Leon. Forward pass to Fontanilla. What a find! Beautiful pass by De Leon to Fontanilla. 4-3 in favor of Inter Oroque. Aldama. Tomata, marks the triple, short, rebound Esguerra. Esguerra fakes, jumper no good. Rebound is in, Pineda. De Leon, marks the trigger, no good. Rebound ng Tanong, put back by ng Tanong is good. Six three in favor of Inter Oroque. Carrillo fakes. Moves closer, taps the basket. Shot no good. Rebound Chumauga. Steven to De Leon. De Leon intercepted by Mata. Great hands by Mata. Mata pass deflected by Steven. Ball recovered by Fontanilla. Pineda. Swings it to Fontanilla. Pineda to Fontanilla. Driving baseline to Steven. Elbow J, short. Rebound. Aldama to the Steven Santos. Transition layup is good. 1 point lead by Incar Oroque. De Leon. Hands foul is a number 19, Santos. First personal foul, second team foul. Sideline throwing for Incar. Pineda driving baseline. Loses the handle, stripping stolen by Mata. Mata to Esguerra. Esguerra bounce it up to Santos for a layup. The lead belongs now to Swiss Mortgages. 1 point lead by Swiss. De Leon drops it up to Brent. Pass deflected. Esguerra with the ball to Mata. Mata drops it up to Carrillo. Uses the window for two. 3 point lead by Swiss Mortgages. by De Leon. Read like a hook by Mata. Counter speed by Pineda. Fontanilla. Wide open play. Short. Rebound. Altama. Altama to Mata. Mata to Esguerra. Jumper. Hands in the stage. No good. Rebound Magtanong. De Leon. Turnover for Inca. Sabret. Pass by De Leon intended for Steven is too high. Substitution. Steven for June Bidonio. 5 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Esguerra to Mata. Mata, tapos na kay Troy. Too small. Esguerra with the ball. Carrillo. Baseline jumper short. Rebound and up with Fontanilla. Fontanilla to De Leon. Attacks the basket. Layup is good. The layup for De Leon is good. Altama, transition 3. Bang! 4-point lead by Swiss Morgan. De Leon, 1-on-1 against Altama. To Magtanong. Baseline jumper short. Rebound is Esguerra. Esguerra. To Santos all alone. Northeast of Moments. It's leading for Swiss Morgan. 6-point lead by Swiss Morgan. Bedonia, jumper. No good. Rebound. Esguerra, next up. Esguerra is down. Ball recovered by Fontanilla. Fontanilla drives. Fontanilla scores. Mata to Santos. Baseline jumper. Money for Santos. Santos with the hand hands. 6-point lead by Swiss Morgan. De Leon, 1-on-1 against Altama. To Pineda. Pineda, elbow J, Money. Mata to Santos alone. The defense is nothing. Lead is 6. For Swiss Morgan. De Leon drives. De Leon scores. That's a foul. Substitution left. Foul is on number 30. Who's foul, right? Again? 40? Sorry. Charles Aldama, second personal foul, third team. Magtanong checks out, Cruz checks in. Substitution left. Carrillo checks out, Obod checks in, Santos checks out, Haber checks in. Bonus free throw for De Leon. No good in the bonus free throw rebound. Esguerra. Esguerra downhill. Left to layup is good for Esguerra. Last 2 minutes. De Leon corner three. Money! Lead is 3 for Swiss Morgan. Mata to Esguerra. 1-on-1 against Cruz. Haber. Ball deflected by Okaya. Last touch on Incon. 10 on the shot clock for Swiss Morgan. Mata against Okaya. To Haber. Mid-range jab for Haber is good. De Leon running the ball for Inca. To Pineda, fearless drive. Getting out. Unlucky. Rebound Obod. Obod to Mata. Touch back to Esguerra. Right for movement. Injuries away from Esguerra. The lead is 7 for Swiss Morgan. Pineda to Okaya. Okaya back to De Leon. De Leon to Pineda. Pineda. shoots for three. Rebound is Gera. To Mata. Mata. Overshoots, rebound. Tagdama for the putback. Bidonia inside. 2-pointers good for Bidonia. Aber, one-on-one against Sasayo. Tama for three. In out, rebound, Pineda. Pineda pushing up the pace. To De Leon. Wide open play, Nuggets. Rebound De Leon. De Leon puts it up. Nuggets, rebound. 6 minutes by Javier. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 26 for Swiss Mortgages and 19 for Inter Orocone.
Give my phone. It's a black one. One with a pig. No, that one. No, that's Orion. Yeah, that one. Thank you. Second.
Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter possession belongs to Inter Orocone. This is the Big Three. Second game between Swiss Mortgages and Inter Orocone. Official ball. Buntanilla, tumaktanong. No good. Rebound, Ogod. Touch pass to Esgera. Overshoots. Rebound, Ogod with a putback. Nine-point lead by Swiss Mortgages. Buntanilla drives. Short. Rebound, Esgera. Mata, no pass to Esgera. Foul underneath the basket number 27, Okaya. First personal foul, first team foul on Inter. Esgera will go to the free throw line for 2 free throws. First free throw is good for Esgera. Our Neil Boucher t-shirt raffle will be after the second game. 2 out of 2 for Esgera. So if you want to win a Neil Boucher t-shirt, just register your name in the picture. Fontanilla to Cruz. Okaya, fearless drive, layup is good for Okaya. Lead is 9. Ogod, hook shot, no good. Cruz secures the board for Inter. Fontanilla tumaktanong, dahil layup is good. Back-to-back Carrillo, fake. 3 seconds inside the field, too long on the shaded area. Turnover for Precious Mortgages. Sabrep. Cruz for Bedonia. Incar staring at the 7-point deficit. Brent running the show for Incar. To June. Fontanilla to Kaya. Back to Fontanilla. Fontanilla, bounce pass to Bedonia. Fake. Shot, Charles, veteran move for Bedonia. And the lead is cut down to 5 for Incar. Isguera to Mata. Mata kicks it out to Isguera. Isguera to Obod. Obod shot. Obod score. Brent dancing with Mata. Screen by Lactano. Foul on the foul is on the floor. Foul is on number 6. Obod, number 11. First personal foul. First team foul. Sabret, sub. Okaya and Tumauga for Pineda and De Leon. Mata. 2 pointers good for De Leon. Carrillo, one shot. Shot is good for Carrillo. Fontanilla to De Leon. De Leon dancing with Santos to Pineda. Lauter is good for Pineda. Santos transition. Rejected by Sean Pineda. What a defense for Incar. Carrillo. Bothered and blocked by De Leon. Rebound is lead. Pineda. Forward pass to Fontanilla. For a transition layup. Time out. Chris Mortgages called for a fifth line. 5 minutes and 14 remaining in the second quarter. The lead is cut down to 3. What a rally by Incar on the way. Okay, back to the ball game. Possession, Chris Mortgages. It's Chris Mortgages, he scored. Swish. Mortgages goal. Santos. Guerra to Santos, baseline jumper. In now, Ruben Pineda. Forward, Presidente Fontanilla. Transition layup is good. Fontanilla. The lead is cut down to 1. Ogo to Isguera. To Duo with the ball. Harassed by Pineda. Foul on the floor. Foul giving up by Fontanilla. First personal foul, 17 pounds. Sideline throwing for Swiss Mortgages. Carrillo, guarded by Bedonia. Carrillo with a leader, no good, rebound Carrillo. Put back, still no good. Rebound Isguera. Gathering violation committed by Isguera. Turnover for Swiss Mortgages. Isguera pleading his case in our referee. Possession in the De Leon, quick trigger for the lead. 3-pointers good for De Leon, giving Inca Oroque the lead. 36-34 is the score. Duo against Pineda. Baseline jumper on the shoot. Rebound. Last touch on De Leon. 14 on the shot clock. Substitution left. Ogod for our Carrillo for Aldama. Sorry. Baseline inbound for Fish Mortgages. Esguerra, hounded by two. Inverse player. Duo. Shot. No good. Rebound. No good. Put back still no good by Duo. Rebound secured by Leon. De Leon. Fontanilla. Left wide open for three. No good. There's a foul on the floor. What's the foul there? Foul is number 11. Sublet. Joseph Ogod. 7 personal foul. 17 foul. Ogod. For Mata. 14 on the shot clock for Inca. De Leon. Foul is on number 2. Pushing foul on Fontanilla. Sabrat. Second personal foul. Third team foul on Inca. Fontanilla for Okaya. Mata. Instant pass to Santos. Aldama. Corner 3-pointers good for Aldama. Fish Mortgages regains the lead courtesy of the 3-pointer Aldama. Okaya kicks it out to the wrong guy. Stopped by Duo. Duo to Mata. Touch pass to Esguerra. Denied by Leon. Duo. Denied by Pineda. We have a black play. Pineda down in. Contact versus foul. Blocking foul is on number 19, Mark Santos. Second personal foul, third team foul. Sean Pineda will choose to free throws for Inca. Chance for Inca to tie the ball game or take the lead. First free throws good for Pineda, tying the ball game at 37 apiece. That's the end of the first half. One more free throw will be given to Pineda. Pineda gives Inca the lead. Official score 38-37 at the end of the first half.
At least this much is fun. Let's go. Ready?
Okay, back to the ball game. We're heading to the third quarter. Possession is with Swiss Mortgages. Third quarter. Ayan, Swiss Mortgages. Esguerra the ball. And Dama for three. Younger rebound Pineda. Pineda to De Leon. De Leon, top of the head to eight. No good, rebound. Over. Pass recovered by Aldana. Bounce pass to Santos. Overshoot. Rebound. Steven. Esguerra. Esguerra shot. No good. Rebound. Steven. Last touch on Swiss Mortgages. De Leon. Pass to Pineda. Pineda. To Fontanilla. Intercepted by Santos. Foul on the floor. Foul is on Incar, number 6. Oh, sorry, number 5. Pineda, first personal foul, first team foul. Mata. To Esguerra. Back to Aldama. Swings to Mata. Mata inside pass to Santos. Shot denied by De Leon. 6 on the shot clock. 4 seconds to shoot. Aldama for 3. Number 0 on Esguerra. Mata for 3. Yes, sir! 3-pointers good for Mark Mata. Two-point lead by Swiss Mortgages. Cruz. Back to Pineda. To De Leon. Swings it to Fontanilla. Fakes. Moves closer. Contact underneath the basket. There's a foul on Swiss Mortgages. Foul is on number 11. Ogod. That's 3 on Ogod. First team foul on Swiss Mortgages. Brent will shoot 2 free throws. For Incar Auto there. Chance for Incar to tie the ball game. First free throw is good. Two out of 2 for Fontanilla, tying the ball game. Deadlock at 40. Mata to Esguerra for 3. No good. Rebound. Long rebound by Mata. Mata to Esguerra. Pass deflected by Pineda. Ogod secures the loose ball, but there's a foul. Foul is on number 91, sorry, Steven. Steven Dilmonga, first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws will be given to Joseph Ogod. Chance for Swiss Mortgages to regain the lead. First free throw is good for Ogod. One out of 2 for Ogod. Rebound secured by De Leon. De Leon dances with Mata. To Brent. Brent for 3. Short. Rebound. Cruz. Cruz jumper. No good. Last touch on Swiss Mortgages. Sabrep. Cruz for Magtanong. 14 on the shot clock for Incar. Steven to De Leon. De Leon, step back 3, yes sir! 3-pointer is good for De Leon. Incar with the lead once again. Next subject. Aldama to Mata. Mata. Pass to Santos. Baseline Jake Logan. Rebound De Leon. De Leon from the logo. Another rebound. Substitution ready. Sub. Mata for Delisa. Sorry, it's Ogod for Carrillo and Bidonia for Steven. Okaya for Brent. Esguera. Damat to Santos. Touch pass to Carrillo. Nobody in the shot. Rebound is with Bidonia. De Leon to the ball. De Leon to Pineda. Okaya fakes, moves closer, float on the short, rebound, Esguera. Foul given up by Okaya, number 27 in uniform. Second personal foul, 13 down. Sabret. Sabret. Haber Kumata. Eldama to Javier. To Esguera. Esguera to Eldama. Marks the trigger. No good. Rebound it's in. Magtanong. But ball hits the line. So 14 from the shot clock for Chris Morgan. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 27, Okaya. Third personal foul, warning for penalty. Eldama to Esguera. To Javier. Eldama, corner three. Bang! Oh, so it's two-pointer only. It's just a two-pointer for Eldama. Magtanong inside. Layup is good. Magtanong. 1 point lead. 45-43 is the score in favor of Incan. Santos. That's a lead for Santos. 3-pointer is good for Santos. Pineda, foul on the floor. Foul is on number 19, Santos. Sabret. Third personal foul, 17 fouls. Sabret. $46-45 in favor of Swiss Mortgages. De Leon takes. Andrew J. Contact. Great defense, but better offense for De Leon. 46-47 in favor of Incan. Carrillo spins. For Dama for three. Bang! 49-47 in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Fontanilla, pass to De Leon. 6 in the shot clock. Fontanilla, tapatak three, bang! $50-49 in favor of Incan. Mata loses the handle. Magtanong secure the loose ball. Fontanilla with the ball. Fontanilla for three. Rebound ng Dama. Carrillo loses the handle. Ball secured by ng Dama. Spins. Louder, louder. Rebound Carrillo. Contact for good. Foul on number 9. Hands foul on number 9. Bidonia first personal foul penalty. Last 9 seconds in the third quarter. Chance for Carrillo to tie the ball game and take the lead. First free throw is good. Tie the ball game. That's the end of the third quarter. Carrillo for the lead. Yes, sir. Official score 51 for Swiss Mortgages and 50 for Incar Otaker. Sorry, official score, 15 for Swiss Mortgages and 48 for Incar. 2-point lead for Swiss Mortgages. 48-50 is the score. So Pineda for 3, yes sir! 3-pointers good for Pineda. Esguerra to Carrillo, baseline jumper, short, rebound Esguerra. Santos, floater is good for Santos. Is the score. De Leon, round 2, no good. Rebound De Leon, put back by De Leon is good. Relax na kayo, may official score, relax. Carrillo, spin to Esguerra. Mata to Esguerra. Mata to Carrillo. Carrillo to Esguerra for 3. Official score 55-53 in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Miscommunication between the corner. Turnover for Incar. 55-53 is the score in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Mata. The jumper is good for Mata. Lead is 4 for Swiss Mortgages. Pineda to Fontanillo. Under duress. Pineda, Fontanillo for 3, there's a contact. So it's a 3 throws for Fontanilla. Foul is on number 19, Santos. 4th personal foul, first team foul on Santos. Swiss Mortgages, that's 4 on Santos. Official score, 57 for Swiss Mortgages, 55 for Incar Otaker. 53, sorry, 53. First free throw is number 57-53. Oh, bilangin natin, isang 3 points,
At saka dalawa, 50 yung score namin after.
48 ang third quarter, 48.
At 51.
Second free throw is good for Fontanilla. 48 from 48 plus 5 plus 6. 48 plus 6.
Sa board, 51,
No,
50.
this is the official score. The official score is here. Third free throw is good for Fontanilla. 2 out of 3 for Fontanilla. Official score, 57-54. Carrillo, denied for the foul. Foul is on number 91. Steven, second personal foul first team foul. Again, official score. 57 for Swiss Mortgages, 54 for Inval. First team first good for Camino. Two for Camino. 59-54 is the score. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Pineda, elbow jumper, short, rebound Mata. Basket lifted. Marillo, mid-range game, no good, rebound Pantano. Montanilla. Pass to the field de Leon. Contact, is a foul. Foul, Fish Mortgages, number, double zero, Mata. First personal foul, second foul. Time out. Time out, Fish Mortgages. 5 minutes and 13 in the fourth quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. 2 free throws will be given to the Leon. First free throw is good for the Leon. Carrying the lead to 4. Two out of 2 for De Leon. The lead is 3 for Swiss Mortgages. Esguerra for Mata. Mata fakes. Kicks it out to Ahmad for Gray. Bang! 3 pointers left for Ahmad. The lead is 6 for Swiss Mortgages. De Leon steps up 3. That's in the face. The lead is 3 for Swiss Mortgages. August once again for Gray, this time short. Rebound, ends up with Santos. Mata to Esguerra. Esguerra kicks it out to Mata. Top of the kay Gray. Bang! The lead is 6 for Swiss Mortgages. De Leon, top of the kay Gray. De Leon in the hand. Heat check for De Leon. The lead is cut down to 3. 65-62. 2 minutes and 25. El Tama under the rest. To Ogod. Esguerra now with the ball. Screen by Ogod. Esguerra to Mata. And Tama goes play. Ogod. Ball ends up with the Leon. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 40, Eldama. That's 3 on Eldama, 3 on Swiss Mortgages. Bidonia for Steven. Montanilla to Pineda. Montanilla fakes. Montanilla uses the window for 2. A minute and 42 remaining in the last quarter. Just a 1-point lead versus Mortgages. Esguerra for three. No good. Rebound Pidonia. Pidonia forward pass to Leon. Leon shot. Foul underneath the basket. De Leon will shoot two free throws. Foul is on number 6 is Esguerra. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. What a game. Chance for Inter to tie the ball game or take the lead. 65-64 is the score. First free throw is good for De Leon. Ties the ball game. 65 apiece. De Leon for the lead. To Inter over there. 1-point lead by Inter. A minute and 22 left. Mata. Denied by Tagalog. Jump ball possession. Swiss Mortgages. Elzama will inbound, pass to Ogod. Ogod, harassed by Pineda. Elzama, floater is good for Elzama. One-point lead by Swiss Mortgages, 67-66. De Leon, dancing to Ogod. Was foul left, foul is on number 11. Was foul, number 11. Foul is on Ogod, fourth personal foul, penalty. Penalty. 2 free throws will be given to De Leon. (67-66) in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Inter, chance to tie the ball game and regain the lead. First free throw is off for De Leon. De Leon to tie the ball game. No good. Rebound. Last 46 seconds. Elzama to Esguerra. 10 seconds to shoot. Esguerra to Elzama. No good. Rebound. Fontanilla. Fontanilla to Pineda. Pineda to De Leon. Possession remains with Inter. 16 on the shot clock. 21 on the game clock. Time out, ref, time out. Ref, time out. Time out. Inter on here. 21.4 seconds left. 16 on the shot clock. 21 on the game clock. Okay, back to the ball game. It's Inter Ortiz ball. 21.4 in the game clock and 16 in the shot clock. So 5-second differential. 5-second differential. Magtanong. Tubidon. Sidonia to Pineda. Pino. Throws the ball from the outside and it's a turnover. Esguerra. Pass. Mata. Time out. Time out. Cruz to time out. Mata scored for the Toronto. Time out in Toronto today. That's the last time out of the game. 10.6 seconds left. Shot clock is off. Seconds left. Inter down by 3. 69-66. Both teams out of timeout. Fontanilla. Last 5 seconds. Fontanilla. Matay the ball by Robert. In on the ball. That's the end of the ball game. Swiss Volunteers wins the game 2. Second game 69-66. Third game, Rockwood 22 Sutherland 2 versus Yolanda Hall.
It's only just the third game. Has around 225. Let me give you a haircut. I'm gonna take a haircut. Next one.
We're going to draw the winner for our new voucher and t-shirt.
Once again, thank you for coming and watching the games. Every Friday night, just come to the game, sign up for our spectator alcohol team. The winner will be given the t-shirt and swag meal voucher. All you need to sign up, watch the game, and be here once we go to the winner.
If I can show you, I missed one of the events where
Enjoying the winner.
very musketeer.
Winner. Number 8. We don't have an entry. Number 14. Empty. Number 9. Empty. Number 4. We have a winner. John Salalila, number 4. Do we have John Salalila here? John Salalila, you won an NFL t-shirt.